Rico on the 22nd. We're on our way to go there right now. I can't freaking wait.
It's
so Chris,
here, baby.
what we about to get into?
Casually riding to the meetup. We're like very late. We got bike life food just spawned in last night.
Yes, sir. Bike life food? It looks mad beautiful out this John ski, no cap. Oi, 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 oi. We active over here.
About the Rideout. First Rideout, yeah, bro.
First Rideout?
What's your name?
Oh, no one.
Yeah. Oh, I like to feel the brakes. Yeah. Okay, Jaden, let's go.
It's mad creamy, pause, but like, bro, look. Like, bro, it's like a liquid, gang.
Yeah, bro, I think that's how true water I should be.
You come to the city, bro, you're gonna get straight ice.
Try to stop my wheel, he's funny. Okay, you got that drawn up. Let's go. Yes, sir. Ah, we outside. Hey, he outside too. Yes, sir, boy. Crooked, you think so? Oh, yes, sir, we outside. Ah, we taking over the streets for the day. We outside. Yeah, we outside. Yes, sir. You got that drawn up. Yes, sir. Wow. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, we outside. Look at the views. They crazy. Let me cut through this drone. And all that. Ponte fresh go. My man's running like it's nothing. Yes, sir. Big PR vibes. Let's go, Alex. We outside. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Yo! Yo! Oh, look at that greasy rain in the sky, yo! Type Biddington. We outside! Make it right through that John ski. Yeah. I sure brought the Rosati chest back.
See what happens when you try to change it out?
Yeah. Let's go! Landon! Let's go, Jaden! Whoa! Landon! Let's go! Yes, sir, I got you. Tell you bye. The balance is wild. For real. Tight vibe. Yes, sir. Bro.
Your chain pop. Your chain pop.
That's yes, sir. I'm good. I'm good. Pop chain.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Gracias. Pop chain, crazy. Yo, these buildings look crazy. Vroom.
Bruh.
Yeah, what's up, yo? Yeah. Oh, let me see some. Yeah. Oi. Like you're hurt. Oi, I got my GoPro. I can't get wet. This drawing active. Yo, look at the spot, guys. Oh, scuba diving? Yo, who about to go scuba diving? I want to come. T-Mobile. Hey, that's my iPhone service. We outside. Us. Let's go. See.
It's costing your
Yes,
face.
sir.
I'm about to jump in the water, bro.
Bro, what I'm saying, bro. I forgot my shorts. Okay, you getting busy. Okay. Wow. And he rocking U-brakes. Made it to El Hamburger. El Hamburger good? Oi. Sir, back in this wrong ski. Alright guys, we're in a lamp in the grab. Coconut water. Yo, we are active in the John right now, you heard? John! We lit, right? We lit. Yes, sir. We lit, right, Chris? Yeah, we lit. Yeah. Hey. Outside in Puerto Rico, you know the vibes. We're taking over your head. Here we go, food outside. Let's go. Come on, Wheelie.
BMXKARTEL, we're hosting a Rideout. Wish my guy was here. We outside at the gas station, we lit. Shout out old vlogs, we lit the movie.
How you feeling?
Tropical island doing wheelies, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Wonderful, you know?
Yeah, we about to be out right now. Yeah, we out. You heard? We out. Yes, sir, Chris. Yes, sir.
It's costing your baby.
Let's go. We in Puerto Rico. Out. Oh, the bird. He almost landed on you. Let's go. Throw that John up. Yeah. Tight vibe. Yo, look at that crazy building. That John looks sick. Yeah, Yumbo. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Yeah. He outside in Puerto Rico. Oh my gosh. He going crazy. Let's go. Wow. Yes, sir, Chris. Yes, sir. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. No hands. Us. Let's go, Chris. Wow. Let's go. Yes, sir. We gotta go up this hill. Bro, I'm not trying to go up this hill. I'm not trying to go up this hill. I'm going right up this jump. Gonna go right. Paddle, 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 paddle. Oh, oh. Yeah. The views are crazy, bro. Come on, guys. You see this? Damn, cuzzo.
It's cross fingers, baby.
Hey, your GoPro on your head looks strong.
We in Puerto Rico. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, bet. Yeah. Yes, sir, boy. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go, Jaden. Yes, sir. We outside, yo. Puerto Rico lit. Yo, they just start jumping in there. No way. Yo, they crazy. Martin's jumping in. Martin's jumping in. No way. Martin's jumping. Martin's jumping. No. Yo. He did a backflip. Let's go, let's go. Yo. Jump in, guys.
Yes, sir. Owen, let's go.
No way. Yes, sir. Ellen. When you jumped in with that? It is. Yeah.
That jump's cool.
Yes, sir, guys. I just jumped in.
No.
How did that feel like?
Bro, I felt like I was in a movie.
I felt like I was falling forever, yo. Bro, I kind of slipped. I was holding on the railing too long. And then I started doing some spins. That was crazy. Look at Wheelie doing circles. Okay, Wheelie. We're about to get some food. I'm still hungry. How you feeling today?
Yo, I'm feeling great right now. My phone ran out of storage. I can't continue my YouTube video. But you know, we gonna run it back up, bro. We coming crazy. Shout out my guy PSI. Everybody
sir.
like, comment, and subscribe
Yes,
to my
sir.
guy.
Subscribe to my guy, One Way Willie. No cap.
Look at it. Show love to my guy's tutorials. I use them myself.
Oh, they got burrito tacos.
Burrito tacos?
Yes, sir, guys.